What's up guys, this is Afran Sarkar and this is our third UI challenge, and in this video I would like to complete this design right with Flutter. So our challenge is like we have to design those two pages, right? At first we have to design this page, and whenever user will click on this button, this page will appear, right? So uh, I think this is very simple. It's not complicated. So let's go to in Android Studio. I have already completed the code, right? So if for this page you have to, I think in your body you have to take a column, and this is image.asset. It can be image.asset, image.network, right? And then you have to take a text, again a text, and this text is not same like this text, right? It has I have used a border in this text, right? So you have to also complete this with Flutter. Then there have also a text service, right? Then you have to take a raised button. You have to take a raised button or any other button, or you can have a container and you can wrap it with gesture detector, right? It doesn't matter. So in this page here you need to take a app bar, and you have to give elevation 0 of this app bar, right? And you can add a background, right? Because the full screen color is this color, right? So then you can and you can wrap your full body with column, right? After this app bar you have to take a circle avatar, right? And in this circle avatar, this I have this image was an rectangle image. That's why I have used clip or rect, right? You can see this from there. I will upload this source code, doesn't matter. Maybe you can, if you get any kinds of problem, then you can see my source code, right? So then again you have to take then text, right? Then you have to take a row, and in the row you have to take this bedroom and bathroom text. Then again a row, right? And in this row you have to take again a row, right? For this three thing, plus, minus, and the text, right? So it will also same as like this. After that you have to take a container, and I have to give a color, and this color will be like this color, right? I don't know the name of this color. So then you can take a column, and then you can have a text, and then you can also add a single child scroll view, right, in there. Fine. And I think you will be need some padding for that, right? Otherwise the text will appear in this place, right? So at the same way I'll take this, and I will give some radius, border radius for this only in top left and in top right, right? I don't need in bottom, right? So this is the structure for this design. And if I have an emulator, and if I go to this emulator, right, you can see the design. I know it's not looking so crazy in emulator, because if you run this in your real device, on your real Android or iPhone, that I can guarantee it will be more beautiful, right? It will be more gorgeous. So whenever I'll click on this button, this page will appear, right? So this is the thing you have to complete. So take this challenge, and if you think there have any problem, you can tell me in the comment section, right? And if you don't think that you can do this, right? Don't think that. Just start this challenge, take this challenge, and start working. Fine. I think it's pretty simple, right? So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, right? I will try to upload more videos on UI challenge, right? And if you like my video, uh, then click on the like button. And I think everything is okay for today. So thank you guys.